Good evening, Rutgers engineers of the future, class of 2024. My name is Joe, and I will be your instructor this summer for our Calculus 1 course. Just wanted to post a quick video, let you see my face, and hopefully attempting to build some community before we meet tomorrow at 1:10 p.m. virtually. The summer is definitely going to look a little different, all things considered. I hope you and your families have been safe throughout this time. Congratulations on surviving what it probably equates to the most unprecedented time in education. In addition to being a senior, as you can tell by my shirt, I'm a high school math teacher at New Brunswick High School. In addition to the boys soccer coach, I advised the class of 2020, so I had to say goodbye to my seniors about a week ago. So I commend and applaud each and every one of you. What else? A little bit more about me. I'm a double alum from Rutgers. I also am an EOF student from the School of Arts and Sciences. I had obtained my bachelor's in mathematics and my master's in math ed. And I'm currently re-enrolled at the Graduate School of Education, where I'm working on my doctorate in education. It's a work in progress. But enough about me. Just wanted to give a quick overview here of our Canvas site. I am not well-versed, but I've used Canvas through the courses that I've been enrolled in as a student. First things first, you'll see there's like a slew or a slate of assignments here. Okay, the syllabus will explain everything. Your grade book is located here on the left-hand side. Syllabus I have linked right once you open up. Let's take a look at that. If it opens and you can see it. I don't think so, since it's centered to this tab. Of course not, but I will answer. I mean, you could probably get a jump. Some of you might have read it already. But the biggest thing that I want to point out is, in order to access our time together, you would need to go to the syllabus and click the date for that particular class. I've already hyperlinked a Google Meet link there. I am a Google junkie. I don't like Zoom. I've used it. I'm not opposed to it, but I'm not a fan of it. Big blue button, no. Google Meet has everything that we need to do. I do plan, and my TA as well, Alia, do plan on making this virtual experience a little bit more interactive than something you might be used to. We want to make sure that you walk away here better equipped and better prepared to handle whatever the fall is going to look like at Rutgers. That being said, we're kind of going to adopt a quasi-flipped classroom, if any of you have ever experienced that, where I will be making video content for you to watch beforehand, and then our time together will be spent hammering out some additional practice problems, some additional application problems, and Alia will be in her recitation sessions going through the solutions, helping you prepare for our quizzes and reviewing the quizzes after they've happened and answering any questions pertaining to the homework that you might have. I check my email pretty regularly. I'll be honest, I'm probably a workaholic when it comes to education, but we'll keep that between you and me. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you virtually. We are taking a diagnostic tomorrow during our time together. I'll get into more of the nitty-gritty on Wednesday regarding the syllabus and things of that nature. But that diagnostic gives me a lot of information as to what you know, what you don't know, what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are. And I assume nothing, especially all things considered with the virtual instruction. And if those of you have taken AP, I experienced and saw the debacle that unfolded with this 45-minute exam, and it's only going to cover. So we'll get through this together. I'm looking forward to supporting you along this journey and hopefully building a solid foundation so that way you can be successful when the fall begins. If anybody hasn't already, but I'd like to welcome you to Rutgers University. See you tomorrow.